In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Expedia account profile. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Expedia. In the results, open the official site. It should read expedia.com in the web address. This confirms you're on the real site and helps avoid issues with sign-in or account security. Once the Expedia homepage loads, look to the top right and select Sign In. Choose your usual method and complete the sign-in process. After you're in, look again at the top right of the page. You'll see either your name or a circular profile icon. Click that to open your account menu, then select Account. This brings you to your profile settings where you can manage your personal details. On the account page, find the section labeled Basic Information. This is where your first, middle, and last name are stored. Click Edit to make changes. Before you type, a quick tip. Make sure the name you enter matches the name on your government-issued ID. Airlines and hotels often require an exact match, and changing your profile here won't update any tickets or reservations you've already booked. Now, update your first name, middle name if you use one, and last name. Use standard capitalization and avoid nicknames if your travel documents don't use them. If you recently changed your legal name, enter the new details exactly as they appear on your identification. Some accounts may display additional fields in the same section. Only update what you intend to change to keep your profile accurate. When you're done, click Save. Give the page a moment to confirm the change. You might see a brief success message, or the edit fields will close and display your updated name. If the Save button is grayed out, double-check that all required fields are complete and that you haven't used unsupported characters or extra spaces. A few quick notes to help. If you have an active or recently booked trip, Expedia or a travel partner may temporarily lock name fields in your profile. That won't affect your ability to view bookings, but it can prevent edits until the trip is complete. Also, if you manage multiple traveler profiles, changing your account name doesn't automatically update saved travelers or past reservations. If your change doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in. And if the edit option isn't available for you, contact Expedia support for help verifying and updating your profile. That's it. You've updated your name on your Expedia account profile.